What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all doing well. So guys, on today's video we out here at the Mzansi Speedway right here in Benoni. We're out here for the stunts romance if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, let me just throw the poster. There's a poster right there. So guys, we're out here, we're gonna check out the vibes. It's our first time since they have opened. So it's our first time attending the premises or any event at the Mzansi Speedway. It's actually a quite nice setup guys, I'm not gonna lie to you. I'll show you all eventually more as time goes on throughout the video. But yeah, we're out here, we just here to check the vibes, man. Let's get it. Hope you guys will enjoy. Damn, hope you guys will enjoy this one. Yeah, let's get it. I'll catch up. massa.
going out of my way for us, and I'm not okay. The sun ain't gon' shine all day. Can't wait to see it on your face. Girl, you know, gotta do better than walking out and dodging the surface. Every day I've been out praying my baby not hurt. Ay. All of the weather we doing, I promise it's worth it. Ay. Open the curtains, ay. Baby I'm certain. Ay. I want it all, we come in it's a coupe, and we gon' ring it right back. Tell him, man, you know I'm suited, ay. But I ain't never gon' slack. I had to study the map, I had to find where I'm at. The legend, a symbol of that. Symbols, I ain't gonna crash. Catch me in the cut, hun. Something like the duck running. I ain't coming with nothing. I know what they want from me. I can spot the fake loving. Rolling up the gates on it. Ain't no debating on it. It got legs like cake, honey. Usher, I'm skate on the beat. I done seen the play cross the feet. God drive like 6 V's. Blow sick, give me 6 feet. Mountain climbing out to hit a peak. Bunch of snow in my seat, it ain't the same no more. Life is everything but a beach, like a chain. I'm a link with your lady for sure. Gotta do better than walking out and dodging the surface. Every day I've been out praying my baby not hurt. Ay. All of the weather we doing, I promise it's worth it. Slack. I had to study the map, I had to find where I'm at. The legend, a symbol of that. Symbols, I ain't gonna crash. I've been going out of my